Okay. There's no such thing as quota arrest. Sinabi ko na nga kanina, our operations, not only in the Philippine National Police, as well as the different law enforcement agencies, no? Including the armed forces, paano sa ba nagkakantak ng patrol or combat patrol? It is intel-based. No? Napakasimple ang intelligence. We sent out priority intelligence requirements, and then from periodically or in a daily basis, essential elements of information dumarating, and we process that. And that intelligence information, investigation information, those are the basis of our operations. For example, the DIDM, we have data on number of wanted person. Okay, so how can we say that we're going to kukotahan sila ng about 100 or what? What we're doing is we have this wanted person, and we should arrest. Okay. And what is the quota there, or what is the ideal? The ideal is 100%. In the same way, if we have recorded 100 focus crimes in a certain area in a certain period, and in a macro level, what is the action plan of the Philippine National Police and the lower units? It should be the ideal one is to maging zero ang focus crime. So napakaraming programa doon. And so sometimes yung ibang commander, hindi nila nasasabi na dapat zero. But on a national level, ang sagot natin? Kaya nga meron tayong target. The target is what? 5%, 6%, 30% reduction of crime such that pagdating ng next year, we will aim for the reduction of a certain percentage hanggang pababa ng pababa until such time we master our deployment to deny the occurrence of crime, another type of operation. So there's no such thing as a quota.